These are the sights and sounds of Election Night 2008 in Portland, Oregon.
And they are excited. I think they're driving by on purpose.
Storm, observations, thoughts, ruminations, ponderings, musings.
I feel so much better. I was really nervous all day yesterday and a little bit today. Just a low-grade scare.
Now, do you have a strange sensation right now, like a sneeze, only better?
Like a what?
Like a sneeze, only better.
Yeah, the happy thing that happens after that special